Good afternoon, everybody. Jake Easter at MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. Just wanted to take you through a 28 Vantage that we had delivering this afternoon. So let's take a look at some of the features. You've got a light gray gel coat with your white stainless steel rub rails throughout the outside of this boat. And the thing that's awesome about a Whaler is it's filled from the bottom up. And also, what's cool is the hard top's incorporated into that, which makes this boat really solid when you're going through any chops or big waves down here in Florida. So as we make our way around, notice the large dive door that we have on this boat. So when you're coming up to any floating dock, what a great way to get right on this boat with no problem. Notice at the top here, when we get on this boat, you've got a large sure shade in the back to keep everybody out of the sun when it gets really hot down here in Florida as well. So come on in. This boat's equipped with twin 250 Mercury Verado outboards. This is a lot of power for this boat. And then also, while I don't have this seat extended out, check out the large cockpit space that we have here when you're doing a lot of fishing. And when it's time to cruise and you're done for the day and head back here, the seat extends out, which gives you a very massive transom seat just to lounge and make your way back home pretty easy. You've got your battery switches here. And then also, you've got a large live well in the back, blue accent color. Fish boxes on either side as well. Over to the starboard side, you've got a little bench seat here, which can actually turn into a little bit of a cooler space if you're wanting to chill down some drinks. You've got a Corian countertop here at the utility station. And you've got a large fridge underneath that can also just be some storage space if you don't choose to add a refrigerator. Over to the port side, everybody knows Boston Whaler's unique seat here. You can adjust it in several different positions depending on what you'd like to do. Also, this seat lifts up. You can also lounge and face the front, which is really, really cool. A lot of storage underneath as well. So as we make our way forward to the helm, this is an upgraded package, so you'll have the black acrylic dash on both sides, which matches and looks really nice. You got a 12-inch Raymarine display. You got your Fusion stereo system. You got your 403 Mercury vessel view that'll tell you everything you need to know about your motors. All your toggle switches up front, VHF radio. You got your Linko trim tabs, digital throttle and shift. And then this boat is a JPO joystick piloting boat, which is an awesome feature if you had anybody that's worried about, putting this boat in a tight spot on bad weather days or whatever the case is. That's a must-have, and I would equip it if I own this boat as well. Don't want to forget the head space. This also has got the upgraded package. And as we make our way to the bow here, just want to point out here, a little bit of storage. Notice the 5-gallon bucket underneath. And what's cool about that is there's a spot here, so you're not having to, bring on bags for trash. What a great spot to just throw away trash here. This seat will then lift up too, which gives you even bigger access to that storage spot as well. It's a great spot also to set up another table, U-shaped seating. Again, just notice, this is a delivering boat, so we've got it set up for the client to come get this afternoon as well. We've got a freshwater wash down. This has got your beach boarding ladder up front. So if you want to get on the boat that way, you can as well. Stainless steel anchor windlass. And then notice your non-skid up here, which gives you a lot of traction when you're making your way throughout this boat. This is Jake Easter at MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. I'd be happy to help answer any questions you guys have. My number is 336-972-8917. Thank you.